By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what Gemini AI is, what it can do, who made it, and whether you should use it instead of ChatGPT. If you've been hearing people talk about Gemini but still don't know what it actually is, you're in the right place. Let's make tech make sense. Gemini is Google's AI assistant. Think of it as Google's version of ChatGPT. You can ask it questions, write emails, summarize documents, generate ideas, help with coding, and even analyze images. It's designed to help you work faster and smarter. After AI assistants like ChatGPT became popular, Google wanted an assistant that worked naturally with its own products. So it built Gemini. Today, Gemini works across many Google services like Gmail, Docs, Drive, Maps, and more. Here are just a few things Gemini can help you do. Write emails, explain difficult topics, solve math problems, write computer code, brainstorm business ideas, translate languages, summarize long articles, plan trips, answer questions, and much more. So, should you use Gemini or ChatGPT? The answer depends on what you're doing. If you already use lots of Google apps, Gemini fits naturally into your workflow. If you're looking for a powerful conversational assistant, many people also enjoy using ChatGPT. The good news is, both tools are improving rapidly, and learning either one is a valuable skill. Gemini is more than just another chatbot. It's Google's vision for how I can help people every day, whether you're a student, a developer, a business owner, or simply curious about AI. Gemini is definitely worth exploring. And the best part, you can start using it for free. If this video helped you understand Gemini AI, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tech videos where we make tech make sense. Now I have a question for you. Which AI tool should I explain next? Let me know in the comments below. In my next video, we'll explore what is Claude AI and see how it compares to Gemini. If you don't want to miss it, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, keep learning, keep building, and I'll see you in the next video.